I'm going to show you how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. So this is very important if you're someone in business that you want to send money as friends and family rather than like actual work stuff. So what we can do is go ahead to our PayPal account. And as you see, I'm just here on my home page, and I'm going to go ahead and hit send/request at the bottom of the screen here. And I'm just going to pick the first person here. And then what we want to do is put in any amount that you want. I'm just going to put $5 for this example. Go ahead and hit send. And then right before that, you're going to get an option for a payment type. So as you see, it says for goods and services. We want to change that to family and friends. And then we can go ahead and hit next. As it says, purchase protection doesn't apply for this payment, but we can go ahead and hit next. And then it's going to ask you to confirm with your bank and all these things, all of your payment methods, but the payment goes the same way. So it's real simple just to go ahead and categorize that payment type, but make sure that you click in the right one for your needs. But that's it. It's super simple. It's super easy.